Hey everybody, Miss Yo-Yo is back to take you planner shopping, but let me just tell you, we're in that destination unknown to the end. So watch, think about it. Tell me where you think I've been, and I'll tell you at the end. Now, I'm not going to leave you out there in the cold, okay? Miss Yo-Yo, she's going to throw you some clues along the way so you can kind of figure out where I've been. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you the first clue. I've been 3 different places. That's the first clue. Let's keep watching. Now, this little planner right here is cool because it's a combination of a lot of things. You got an undated planner. You can start at any time. See the tabs ain't got nothing on it. It's got a task in here, a goal tracker in here, a habit tracker in here. You can track it all up in here, okay? So think about it. Where can you find this kind of planner? Undated planner. Now, this planner line here, I have never seen at this store before. I have done videos on this store previously. Let me just tell you, it is one of those stores that I think we've all been into to look for something, fairly on the lesser side. Maybe, we look for something here, maybe $10 or less. But let me just tell you, this is a store that you can find a lot of different things on it. You can find gifts in here. You can find planners in here. You can find a little bit of clothing. You can find a little bit of everything up in here. So let's keep going. We're still at the first store. We got 2 more stores to check out that I'm going to show you some video on. Now, this was not a planner, but it was a journal, and it was so unusual I had to show it to you. Look at these tabs. Is that not cool? Now, any of you Happy Planner girls that are into Tim Burton, you might get this, okay? And I'm not a Tim Burton fan as far as Happy Planner goes with that planner, but I just thought this was such a cool journal. Okay, that was store number 1. What do you think it was? Leave your comments below. Now we're off to show you store number 2 planners. And I will say, I think I've shown this planner before last year, but it was not at this store. So just to give you a heads up, I think this is one of those stores. I'll say this about every store we go to. This is one of those stores we all have gone into. If you're trying to save $1, you're always up in this store, okay? Now you are going to find a wide variety of planners up in here, especially a lot of soft planners, monthly planners, if that's what you're looking for. Desk calendar planners, you'll find them up in here. This academic planner here, this one actually started in August, so this is a perfect fit if you're just going back to school, or if you have a student going back to school, this might be a good little planner for them to pick up. If you're looking for someone to get into planning beginners, planner beginners, this might be a place to get an affordable planner for less than $5, okay? Now, this is store number 2. Think about it. We've come here for something. We've come here for birthday cards. We've come here for birthday supplies. We've come here for planners. We've come here for food. It's a store that offers a variety. And this is a store I told you on the last one, it's less than $10. This one, I'm going to say is less than $3. Okay, let's go there. I was going to say 5. Okay, but I'm going to throw you a bone. I'm going to throw you a bone. Catch it. Now we're going off to store number 3. Here we go. Now, if you're still here watching the video, I ask that you please hit that thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. Leave me your guess. Even if you can't guess all 3 of them. We're not giving away anything. We just have a little fun. Okay, a little fun. So, leave your comment below. Tell me what store you think they are. Okay, now we're off to store number 3. This one, I'm telling you, last week in my video, I said I went to this store and they had so many planners. I was like, oh my goodness, my little head was spinning. But there's a lot of variety here. And I would say the price point on these, I'm going to say on this store probably $10 or less. Every planner I picked up was $4.99, $4.99. I think I might have picked up one that was $7.99. I don't think I really even picked up anything that was $9.99. But The planners here, look at it, start in August. Monthly, weekly planners, black and white. You can actually color in the little butterflies. They've got such a variety here. And the price on this one, I want to say this one was $7.99. Okay, where can you get a hardbound quality planner? And I'm not kidding you, the paper was good. I like that black and white feature, but Miss Yo-Yo is here to show you affordable planners and where to find them. You're gonna ask yourself, that planner was from where? Now, my planner girls out there, I have to ask you, are you just open to any planner? You'll look at these planners and say, hey, that might be a good little pocket planner, work planner, hey, budget tracker, and you're willing to check it out. Are you about your brand? Because I'll be honest with you, I am a happy planner girl, but some people are just open to everything. And hey, I like my happy planner. I like the way it looks. But I've been known to pick up one or two of these just to use it either at work or something that I keep in my bag on the run. So tell me, are you that brand girl? Are you open to looking at everything? Leave a comment below and I greatly appreciate it. Now, here's the thing. I'll give you a clue about this story. I like this book right here. This would be great for a guy. If you have a man in your life and they need a planner, that would be cute. But here's the thing I'm going to tell you about the store. This is a department store. Mainly, I think they're known more for maybe clothes. Okay, so that's a clue. We're in store number 3. We already saw store number 1, store number 2. Now here's another nice little planner here. They had a variety of different planners here. I'll be honest with you. I probably could have looked for more planners and found something that were different, but I just picked out a couple of them. I had to hand pick because I've been picking out all day. Now, if you want to check out more videos, feel free to check out the playlist. I've got plenty over there for you to see. I actually went through Walmart the other day and I saw some more clearance items out there. So feel free to check out that Walmart clearance sale video because I thought that was hot, hot, hot. I appreciate all the watches on that, but let's keep going because Michelle, she got more to show you. Now you got those beginners out there getting into planning. This might be a great place to start at because let me just tell you, this planner is under $8. It's under $8. This is a nice quality planner, 17 months for $8. Girl, come on. You know that ain't right, okay? It ain't right, it ain't right, it ain't right. Okay, maybe in this store, we might have, if you've been up in here, I'm going to tell you what I bought up in here. I bought some home decor items up in here. I bought some desk accessory items up in here. I bought some bedding up in here. So if you've come to this store, you might have seen all these different departments in this one store. Now, along with that, you might have saw some overage planners in here. Maybe a happy planner. You might have saw Ray Dunn up in here. Now, think about that. Think about it. Leave your comment below. Tell me the 3 stores I've been to. Now, if you're enjoying the video so far, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know why you ain't, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Miss Yo-Yo greatly appreciate you spending time with her today. Because you could be doing anything else, but you decide you want to come over here, hang out with a girl, see what she got, and tell somebody about it. Right? Right. Now, this is one of my favorite planners I found. This is a denim, hard denim cover planner. This is what we call a beauty, okay? Not a beauty. Say it with me, girls. Beauty, okay? You got to put some emphasis on the tay because I thought this was just gorgeous. That hard cover, I want to take the cover off and take it on home with me. And I'm not going to be hating because it was only like $7.99, okay? And let me just tell you, you thinking about what store this is? I could tell you this, but it ain't Home Goods. So scratch that off the list. Scratch it right off, okay? You got your guesses together. You got your guesses together. Make sure you leave a comment, okay? Tell me what your thoughts are on what the 3 stores are so far, okay? Go ahead. Write them on down. Hey, everybody, make sure you're back to say thank you. I appreciate you going with me to Five Below. Didn't you know? Then I tripped on by my place, the Dollar Tree. Wee. Then I brought it on home. You thought it was Home Goods, didn't you? No, it wasn't TJ Maxx. It was Marshalls, okay? Now, if you enjoyed the video, please share it with any of your friends. And hey, you want to see more videos like this? Be sure you're going to ask you to what? Check out the playlist over here. And don't forget, to hit that subscribe button. And a girl will see y'all win. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.